Well, here we are, Saturday morning. Good morning, Sabbath morning. Got a dog with me today. Bentley come to visit. Sarah's come to for the weekend. Anyway, it's a beautiful morning. A little chilly. Sun's getting ready to come up, or it's already up. Anyway, just hope everyone's having a great day and hope it goes well for you. I just want to send some many blessings to you. She don't want to stand still. She wants to keep moving. She likes the morning walk. For all you dog lovers, you know what this is like. Anyway, have an awesome day.